Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Gadget Info, and in today's video I am going to do the unboxing of a HELIX SMART BAND. So let's start the video. So this is the box packing, how it comes if you buy it from Amazon. So in this box packet there are some mentioned features. So let us talk about it. These are the features which you can see. Activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, calories and notifications. This band is need to connect with mobile phones with an application. So from here the box open like this. Over here some step pedometer, then sleep monitor, SMS alert, heart rate monitors, some definitions are given. So over here you can see HELIX Timex branding, and here is the watch. It's cost around 2295 rupees. So now let us open this box. So I have my knife. Let me cut this packing. I've cut the packing. Nothing else you can see in the box. So over here you can see a manual booklet, small. Over here you can see how to connect this band, then how to pair it with your mobile phone, then some band interface, some health features such as steps, how much calorie you have burned, and how much kilometer you have walked. So here you can see the warranty card, then warranty cover, what does it cover for warranty, and many more. So now let us keep this manual aside. So this is the watch itself. This is the watch. So in this watch you can see a blue color rubber band, rubber strap. It's a very good, not very good, but it's a medium quality rubber, as you can see. Excuse me. So this is the band. This is the main machine, how it looks if you see from first time. So now let me open this band first and show it to you. So okay, I need to open this first. So it opens like this. This is the main machine. This is a charging port where you can charge. Here this display, wow, 5 centimeter display I think it will be. Here is the heart rate sensor, and here you can see HELIX Timex and the model number. It weighs about only 10 to 13 grams. And this band need to connect with the mobile application. So let me show you the mobile application first. So we need to just download it from Play Store, that named as HELIX. And let me show you it. When you will type HELIX, there will be a app coming as HELIX Timex. You need just to click it and you need just to install it. While it's installing, let me give this machine some charge. So guys, as you can see, the app has installed successfully. Now you just need to open this app. It will look like some type of this. So you need to find this device and just you need to skip it, because then you need to sign in. I am signing with Google. So I am choosing my account Gadget Info, and you need to add some information. So what's your gender, male, done, date of birth. I'm giving my date of birth. Okay, anniversary, it's optional. Height, I'm giving something 5 feet, 0 feet is can't be, 9 feet is also there. Okay, I am making it 1.56 meter, and weight kg. I am adding it. Then I have added this and I have done. Okay, I need to select the weight. I am signing with, and I'm just scanning for my device. I think my device has not charged successfully. It will scan after a few more times. So as you can see, it's scanning. I think the battery is not full, so it's scanning. So okay guys, I will see you after 5 minutes back, but I will make a separate, I can also make a separate video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have liked this video, and share and subscribe to my channel Gadget Info. Bye bye.